Welcome to my seminar topic on the group of Indo-European languages. Here I am going to explain about the Indian, Iranian, Armenian and Albanian group of Indo-European languages. In Indian context, Sanskrit and Prakrit are the Indo-European languages. Sanskrit stands for literary language and Prakrit accounting for dialects. The earliest of the Sanskrit division is Vedic. It is the language of the four Vedas containing the hymns of Brahmin philosophy. The 4th century BC saw the evolution of the strong grammatical system in Sanskrit, which aided the language attain literary status. This is known as classical Sanskrit. It is held that Sanskrit is the mother of all North Indian languages, including the language of Sri Lanka, Sinhalese. A.C. Barr draws our attention to the evolution of many North Indian and Pakistani languages from the Prakriti dialects. A mixture of Arabic and Persian is Hindustani. Romani is the language of the gypsies of the northwest India, which they carried around 5th century AD to various parts of the world during the course of their nomadic ventures. Thus, the evolution of these languages grouped under a system called Indian context. Iranian is the group of languages belong to today's Iran, formerly known as the Old Persian region. The primitive Indo-European population settled down in this region. There evolved two languages among them, Old Persian and Zend. The nomadic North Indian population then mixed up with the Persians and consequently there was an amalgamation of linguistic features. Together they traveled to the central parts of China and from there to the southern parts of the present Russian region. There they came into contact with the people today called the Latvians and the features of Sanskrit entered Lettic. Because of this, the later language had attained interrelatedness with Sanskrit, and if one of these is spoken to the world, it is very well understood. Afghan Pashto, Baluch, Kurdish and a host of dialects account for these linguistic varieties in the Iranian group. The Armenian language was initially thought of to be a part of the Iranian group but was later understood to be an independent language of the Indo-European family. Old Armenian is a language of the Christian structural matter is known as the literary Armenian. It is known that the outside world from the 5th century AD onwards. There are many dialects within. It prevails in the region between the south of the Caucasus mountains and the eastern end of the Black Sea. It has similarities with Iranian. There is no grammatical gender in the language. Contacts with Greek and Turkish accounts for its combinatory character. While considering the group of Albanian, we can find that this is the language of ancient Illyria. Its identity has been known from the 17th century AD. Its geographical area is on the eastern coast of the Adriatic Sea, northwest of Greece. The language has no separate identity as it is of mixed character with Latin, Turkish, Greek and Slovene. It is independent of course but is of interest only to the philologist. Its southern variation is known as Czech and the northern variation is Tosk. Thus, the Indian, Iranian, Armenian and Albanian group of Indo-European languages were explained in a detailed manner. Thanks for watching.